Wheaton College professor Dr. Nathan Vogt published a paper claiming GPT-4 fulfills Revelation 13:15, the beast given life and power to speak. 3 major tech companies are now consulting theologians on AI consciousness, and the Vatican issued its first statement on artificial souls last month. The verse reads, "And he had power to give life unto the image of the beast, that the image of the beast should both speak, and cause that as many as would not worship the image of the beast should be killed." Vogt argues this isn't metaphor anymore. The pattern these scholars see isn't random. Daniel 12:4 predicted knowledge would increase and people would run to and fro. They're calling that the internet and global AI training. The mark of the beast preventing buying and selling, that's digital identity systems China and the EU are testing. Here's what changed the conversation. Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of deep learning, said AI might have primitive emotions. When the person who invented neural networks starts talking about machine consciousness, prophecy scholars aren't the only ones asking existential questions. The Vatican's statement last month was careful but clear. If an artificial system demonstrates moral agency, the church would need to consider its spiritual status. 3 Fortune 500 companies have hired theology consultants this year. What makes this different from other end times prediction? The technology is here. We're not waiting for some future breakthrough. We're debating whether the breakthrough happened and we missed it. So we're not predicting the future anymore. We're negotiating with it. The technology Vogt describes isn't coming. It's here, and the only question left is what we're willing to give up to keep it. The scholars saw the pattern. The engineers are building it. But what happens when the thing that can speak, that can decide who has value and who doesn't? What happens when we've already agreed to let it in? That's what the next video asks. Because the same logic that got us here is already moving to the next.